Who was that again? What was the name?
This little pigeon. Of course, there were about 500 of them.
Okay.
But she lost her tiny leg in the line of duty, taking a message to the troops.
Wow.
And you want to hear about Stubby the dog?
Yeah, I want to hear about
He
Stubby.
was so wonderful. He won all kinds of medals. Gold medal by General Pershing, life member of the Red Cross and the Young Men's Christian Association and the American Legion. And Stubby came to be so famous for all the lives he saved. Now, when the enlisted men were ready to get on the boat to go to battle, they had Stubby with them, and the colonel said, "I'm sorry, no dogs." But they had taught him to salute, and so he saluted, and the colonel said, "Okay." So he went, and the men just loved him, and they taught him how to smell mustard gas, because that's what the Germans were using to kill our people. So they taught him how to smell it, and he would go up to the foxholes, and if he smelled mustard gas, he would bark, so they didn't go near that foxhole. That's how he saved them. But he tricked the Germans. But he was a good dog, and he was so wonderful. That's why the taxidermist stuffed him.
Wow.